Another day, another story. Indonesia, the largest archipelagic country in the world, is situated in Southeast Asia and is known for its rich cultural diversity, stunning landscapes, and vibrant history. Comprising over 17,000 islands, Indonesia is home to a vast array of ethnic groups, languages, and unique traditions. From the bustling metropolis of Jakarta to the serene beauty of Bali, Indonesia offers a tapestry of experiences that captivate travelers and scholars alike. Here are 10 fascinating facts about Indonesia. Number 1. Archipelagic Nation. Indonesia is an archipelago consisting of more than 17,000 islands, making it the largest archipelagic country globally. This diverse nation spans a vast expanse of the equatorial region, from Sumatra in the west to Papua in the east. Number 2. Rich biodiversity. Indonesia is renowned for its incredible biodiversity. It is part of the Coral Triangle, a marine area with the highest diversity of coral reef species in the world. The country is home to a myriad of unique flora and fauna, including the endangered orangutans in Borneo and Sumatra. Number 3. Volcanic Landscape. Indonesia is situated on the Pacific Ring of Fire, resulting in a high level of volcanic activity. The country has more than 130 active volcanoes, with notable ones such as Mount Bromo and Mount Krakatoa. These volcanic landscapes contribute to fertile soil and breathtaking scenery. Number 4. Cultural diversity. Indonesia boasts a rich tapestry of cultures and traditions, with over 300 ethnic groups and around 700 languages spoken. The diversity is reflected in art, dance, music, and religious practices, creating a vibrant and unique cultural mosaic. Number 5. Borobudur Temple. Borobudur, located in central Java, is the world's largest Buddhist temple and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Built in the 9th century, this monumental structure consists of 9 stacked platforms adorned with 2,672 relief panels and 504 Buddha statues. Number 6. Komodo Dragons. Indonesia is home to the famous Komodo Dragons, the world's largest living lizards. These formidable reptiles can only be found on a few islands in eastern Indonesia, including Komodo, Rinca, and Flores. Number 7. Spice Islands. Indonesia was historically known as the Spice Islands due to its abundant spice trade. The islands were sought after by European powers, including the Portuguese and Dutch, leading to a significant impact on global trade and colonial history. Number 8. Jakarta, capital city. The capital city of Indonesia is Jakarta, a bustling metropolis that serves as the political, economic, and cultural center of the country. With a population exceeding 10 million, Jakarta is one of the most populous cities in the world. Number 9. Religious harmony. Indonesia is known for its religious diversity and harmony. While Islam is the predominant religion, the country is also home to significant populations of Christians, Hindus, Buddhists, and indigenous belief systems. The Indonesian philosophy of Pancasila emphasizes unity in diversity. Number 10. Komodo National Park. Designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Komodo National Park is not only home to the iconic Komodo Dragons but also boasts stunning coral reefs, diverse marine life, and picturesque landscapes. It is a popular destination for ecotourism and diving enthusiasts. These facts only scratch the surface of Indonesia's fascinating and diverse tapestry, making it a captivating destination for those seeking a blend of natural wonders, cultural richness, and historical significance. Thanks for watching.